To change the batteries in your smoke detector, start by locating the arrow indicators on the device. Twist the cover counterclockwise to remove it. This style smoke detector uses 3 AAA batteries. Pop the old batteries out and insert the new ones, making sure to check the polarity. Once the new batteries are in, line the device back up with the arrows. Twist it clockwise to lock it back into place. When it's properly aligned, it means the detector is securely locked. And that's it. Your smoke detector is powered and ready to protect.